Hi guys, I'm Miss Chen. We've recently talked about how we need to pay attention to stroke positions and directions when writing characters, right? Today, we'll talk about the importance of the position of each part of a character. First, let's look at these two characters here. We've seen them before and they are correct characters. But when we read them, we often read them like this. As you can see, this part should be underneath this part, and this part should be above the other part. The characters on the right-hand side are not correct, as the position of each part is wrong. If we want to write characters correctly, we can practice writing characters in this kind of box. For example, for the two characters we just mentioned, if we put them into the box, you can see the position of each part clearly, so you won't make mistakes when you write them. In our practice book, you can find a few pieces of paper like this. You can practice writing characters there. Here's the test for you today. In each pair of characters, only one of them is correct. Find it out and write down a word or phrase that contains this character.